work perfectly fine. Remember, in the last video, we showed you the top 5 voted solution to our redefined problem statement of finding the best undergrad marketplace. We thank you a lot for your active participation in solution suggestion and voting of most desirable solution through your comments in the Google form we provided in the last video. And I would like to add that in our video we have provided all the timestamps in the description box.
Discussing with the teammates and our seniors and applying 10 gram, 100 gram and 1000 gram rule, we came up with a top-notch solution of creating a website which would be a one-stop station for any undergrad student in India or across globe, no matter which course you are pursuing.
Before jumping into our prototype, let me tell you what prototype actually is. It is an excellent tool to deepen a team's understanding about the product's needs, share ideas, and get feedback from the stakeholders. A prototype is not meant to be perfect or production version. It is just any viable product that can share your ideas to the consumer's market.
Our prototype is of high fidelity type, that is, it looks and feels closer to imagined product and is done after a few iterations.
Just go to your favorite web browser and search for www.edustub.isro.com and you will land on this awesome page.
We have already expressed you the concern of undergrad students about the inaccessibility of the proper curriculum-wise, systematic, year-wise handwritten notes and other lab instruments. So we have designed a website which is our prototype to this problem statement.
Browsing down here, you will find a segment where different undergrad courses like BBA, medical, engineering, BCom, etc. are mentioned. Clicking on any one of them, you will get a complete access to these handwritten notes by students and teachers themselves for free.
You can also browse up and find upload option here. From this you can upload any notes if you have, and later the team will check on authentication and later the material will become free to use for everyone.
Also, you can see donate option here. Here you can donate books, journals and any other reference materials to the needy and underprivileged students. Here you can also provide monetary donation to the poor kids.
We have a search bar over here which will be a boon for all. You can directly search relevant content and quickly get access to it.
Not only this, we provide scholarship and prepare you through examination and mock test if you want to compete for master level or any government job.
But the best part is we don't see any undergrad as bookworms. So thanks to our team, we have included a skills section over here where you can explore your skill and find more skills in your favorite domain.
You can watch who are and how we are building trust by seeing the number of participation on this website. You can also watch our YouTube tutorials to get more knowledge about us and our vision. Look at these happy clients who reflect our hard work.
None of the prototype can prove to be the best. So we too have included a feedback mechanism with our prototype. Up here, we have included a section of our feedback mechanism. By clicking on this icon, you will be redirected to a new page of our feedback mechanism. In that page, you can ask your queries, rate us, and give your valuable suggestions. If you all like our project and our work, you can also join with us.
Now you will get a feedback form. The feedback form includes many questions to help us grow better. All these feedbacks are really valuable and instill confidence in us. So kindly take your time to fill this form.
So in this video we shortlist the best solution of our redefined problem statement, which was a user-friendly and smooth website, and then introduced this high fidelity prototype among all.
Then we went on for storytelling, which included history and communication through visualization, emotion, and marketing. And finally, we showed how we admire your feedback and consider them seriously. So, we have completed this journey of introduction to stakeholder, ideation via brainstorming session, and prototyping and storytelling session in our 3-video series.
Do share your views on our video and your valuable feedback in the Google form which we have provided in the comment section and in the description box below. Well, stay connected with us to see us going through similar endeavors. Till then, take care and stay safe. Please do like, share, comment, and don't forget to subscribe. Thank you.